Would you like to know what your Haitian colleagues are talking about? Come learn with Dr. Les and Company some useful Haitian Creole expressions, and before long, you'll shock the heck out of them all. Don't forget to subscribe to this Haitian Creole channel, and like it, to receive all of our new videos. Thanks again for learning Creole with us.
Some useful Haitian Creole expressions. Number 4. 1. What's your name?
Ki jan ou rele?
Ki jan ou rele? My name is Mary.
Non mwen se Marie.
Non mwen se Marie. How old are you?
Ki l'aj ou?
Ki l'aj ou? I am 40 years old.
Mwen gen 40 ans.
Mwen gen 40 ans. 3. Where do you live?
Ki kote ou rete?
Ki kote ou rete? I don't live far from work.
Mwen pa rete loin travay la.
Mwen pa rete loin travay la. 4. What's your favorite food?
Ki manje ou pi reme?
Ki manje ou pi reme? I love black mushroom rice a lot.
Mwen reme diri John an pil.
Mwen reme diri John an pil. 5. What do you do?
Ki sa ou fe pou viv?
Ki sa ou fe pou viv? I work at my company's sales department.
Map travay nan departman vant kompani mwen.
Map travay nan departman vant kompani mnen. 6. What's your hobby?
Ki sa ki pastan ou?
Ki sa ki pastan ou? I love to read as a hobby.
Mwen reme li kom pastan.
Mwen reme li kom pastan. 7. What's your favorite color?
Ki koule ou pi reme?
Ki koule ou pi reme? I love blue and yellow.
Mwen reme ble ak joun.
Mwen reme ble ak joun. 8. What's your favorite movie?
Ki film ou pi reme?
Ki film ou pi reme? My favorite movie is The Matrix.
Film mwen pi reme an se The Matrix.
Film mwen pi reme an se The Matrix. 9. What's your favorite book?
Ki liv ou pi reme?
Ki liv ou pi reme? My favorite book is East of Eden by John Steinbeck.
Liv mwen pi reme an se East of Eden by John Steinbeck.
Liv mwen pi reme an se East of Eden by John Steinbeck. 10. What's your favorite music?
Ki mizik ou pi reme?
Ki mizik ou pi reme? My favorite music is reggae.
Mizik mwen pi reme an se reggae.
Mizik mwen pi reme an se reggae. 11. What's your favorite sport?
Ki sport ou pi reme?
Ki sport ou pi reme? My favorite sport is soccer.
Sport mwen pi reme se football.
Sport mwen pi reme an se football. 12. What was your favorite course in school?
Ki matye ou te pi reme nan l'ekol la?
Ki matye ou te pi reme nan l'ekol la? My favorite course in school was English.
Matye mwen te pi reme l'ekol se anglais.
Matye mwen te pi reme l'ekol se anglais. 13. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Ki sa ou vle ye le ou gran?
Ki sa ou vle ye le gran? When I grow up, I want to be a teacher.
Lem gran mwen vle yon profeseur.
14. What's your favorite holiday?
Ki jou feriye ou pi reme?
Ki jou feriye ou pi reme? My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Jou feriye mwen pi reme se Noël.
Jou feriye mwen pi reme se Noël. 15. What's your favorite animal?
Ki bet ou pi reme?
Ki bet ou pi reme? My favorite animal is dog.
Animal mwen pi reme se chien.
Animal mwen pi reme se chien. 16. Which country would you like to visit?
Ki peyi ou ta remen vizite?
Ki pays ou ta remen visiter? The country I'd like to visit is England.
Peyi mwen ta remen vizite a se Angleterre.
Pays mwen ta remen visiter a c'est Angleterre. 17. What would you like to do when you're retired?
Ki sa ou ta remen fè lò pran retret ou?
Ki sa ta remen fè lò pran retret ou? Well, when I'm retired, I would like to travel the world.
Lèm pran retret mwen ta remen voyaje tout kote.
Lèm pran retret mwen ta remen voyaje tout kote.
We thank you for watching that short Haitian Creole video. Come back often to learn with us, or better yet, subscribe to our channel to always know whenever we have new videos for you. It costs you nothing to encourage us to keep us around longer. Thank you. You guys are simply awesome. Go surprise them with your beautiful Creole.